If your ink to text button is grayed out in OneNote, don't worry, because this is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly why it happens and how to turn that button back on so you can convert your handwriting into typed text without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick OneNote tips and easy software fixes. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to understand is that OneNote will not activate ink to text unless it knows which handwriting you want to convert. If you just click the button on an empty page, or if your text cursor is blinking in a normal text box, OneNote has nothing to process, so the option stays grayed out. To fix that, go to the Draw tab at the top of OneNote. Then select the Lasso Select tool, which looks like a dotted loop. Once that tool is active, draw a circle around the handwritten words you want to convert. You can do this with your mouse, or even better, with a pen stylus if you have one. After the handwriting is highlighted, look back at the ribbon and check the Ink to Text button again. In many cases, it will light up immediately and become clickable. If that works, you're all set. But if you selected the handwriting and the button is still gray, OneNote may have misread your ink. Sometimes it thinks your writing is a sketch, a shape, or some kind of drawing instead of text. When that happens, you need to manually change how OneNote treats the ink. Keep the handwriting selected with the lasso tool. Then right-click inside the selected area. From the menu, hover over Treat Selected Ink As. Then click Handwriting. This forces OneNote to reclassify the pen strokes as actual handwriting, and that usually unlocks the Ink to Text feature right away. Once that's done, go back to the top ribbon and try the conversion again. If the button is still not responding, there's one more thing to check, and that's the proofing language. OneNote uses language settings to help recognize handwriting properly, so if the language is wrong or not set at all, the conversion tools may behave strangely. To check this, go to the Review tab in the top ribbon. Click Language, then choose Set Proofing Language. Make sure it is set to English, or whatever language you actually used when writing. If it's blank or set to a different language, choose the correct one. Click OK, and then try Ink to Text again. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem. Select the handwriting first, reclassify it as handwriting if needed, and make sure the proofing language is correct. That's really all there is to it. So if you were wondering why Ink to Text is grayed out in OneNote, now you know exactly what to check and how to fix it fast. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful OneNote tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.